In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can combine two columns into one. So for instance, one of the bits of advice that I give in the spreadsheet is the fact that the name column should really probably be surname and first initial, or surname and full forename. This will form the user ID, or what the students log in with, when also combined with password. Obviously, if I've got information from an MIS or register system, I can copy whole columns relatively easily, so I can just copy and paste this information in. However, in order to combine surname and forename into a single column, what I can do is click equals and then select the surname, and then I'll select the sort of ampersand, the and symbol, and then combine it with the forename. Now when I click equals, you'll notice that the two cells have been combined together. So how do I then reduce the forename down to only perhaps the first digit? Well, this is where using the formula mid comes in. So I can actually take the however many characters I want from the forename, so in this case from the text contained within K18, I want it to start on the first character and only for one character, and when I close this formula, you'll now notice that I've got would find M. If I drag this down, it's then done for all students within that list.